so I am back. So this is going to be a video on this hair, okay? It turned out so good, and this is just a closure wig. So real simple. I did a middle part with some baby hairs, and it's nice and long. So yes, if y'all want to know where this hair is from and all the details on how I installed it, then keep on watching. Okay, guys, so this hair is from ft.Lovmuse hair. This is the bag, if you can see that. On the inside, I got some lashes. I also got a bonnet, I believe. Yes, I think this is a bonnet. Yes, I got a bonnet. And then I also got some wig caps. Then I also got a wig comb. I believe that was in there unless my baby stuck it in. And then of course the wig came in a bag. So this is a 30-inch wig. And this is a closure wig. It doesn't have all the other details on it. But yeah, this is a body wave closure wig. And it's 30 inches. I got this 30-inch and it's really cute. Falls really nice. So yeah, stay tuned for the video to see how I installed it and slayed the install. Okay, dolls, so this is how the wig looks. I have curled it, but I left the closure sectioned off so you can see the curls. This is the inside of the wig. There are 3 combs across the top and then 1 in the back with an adjustable strap and also an elastic strap in the wig. So I'm going to just go ahead and tint my lace. I'm using my Eben tinted lace spray. And I just go ahead and spray that on the lace. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on to see, you know, how everything is lining up and everything like that. So we can work on laying it down. Before I go in and start to lay the lace down, I always like to go in and cut off these little tabs on the sides because they just get in the way. So I'm just going to cut those off on each side. And then I'm going to take my Eben Wonder Lace bond and I'm going to be using this to lay the wig down. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray the hairline where the lace meets the end of where the hairline is at. Really simple. I just do like little sprays and then use my finger to smooth it out, because if you try to just do like a whole line of this, it's just going to be way too much and it's going to run down on the lace. So try to spray it lightly because we are going to go in and add more later anyway. So after I do that, I go in with my blow dryer and blow dry on a cool setting. And I also like to take a rat tail comb with the metal end and just use that to also press the lace down into my forehead. So then after that, I'm going to go in and grab my little scissors, cut off the lace, and then go in and clean it up with some alcohol just to get off any excess residue that has, you know, dripped down the lace. So after I do that, then I'm going to grab my spray once again and just spray the hairline down again. And this is going to give you that melted look and really melt the lace into place. Like, you definitely have to do both steps because of the way that I apply it. So after I do that, I'm going to go in and start my part off. I always go back in and repart again after I have started to lay everything down. But this is just like my base part, which is why I don't go in with the wax stick right in the center immediately. And I'm also going to tie down my edges with an elastic band so that it can melt even more. So now I'm going to start laying the top part of the wig so it can be nice and flat and not give that wiggy appearance. If you go in and you just do this in the middle part, like wherever your part is at, it's still going to be bulky. So I definitely recommend doing some sections to get it nice and flat. And I usually just do like 3 or 4 sections depending on how big the closure or frontal area is and, you know, how much bulk I have. So I think I did like 4 sections. And you can see I kind of go in with the hot comb first and warm it up. Then I add the wax stick and then I go back in with the hot comb once again. And you can already see that it's really flattening out any of those lumps and bumps. So you can see the difference on one side versus the other. And then I went ahead and took off my elastic band. And I'm also going to go ahead and define my part by using some concealer on a really small angled eyeshadow brush. And I just run this straight down the part, and then usually I would go in with my wrapping mousse, but I just used the hot comb to kind of help to melt it in. And I also took a black eyeshadow and I'm just going to run that on the sides of where the concealer is which is actually basically on the hair, and this will hide any over bleach knots, and it's also just going to perfect the parting area and make it really pop out. So I also did do some layers in this hair just to can I talk like what? Just to give the hair some face framing layers. And then I'm gonna go in and one curl it, and this is the same one curler that I use to curl the rest of the hair. So I'm basically just going to curl, you know, the section that I have left out, but I just curled this back section, and then I went in and parted down my baby hairs. I like to do my baby hairs first before I curl, you know, that front section, because it's gonna kind of get messed up anyways if I have to go back in and part down my baby hairs and do them and all of that. So you can see I took a comb so that I can line it up and get the perfect, you know, parting of baby hair so it's spaced out evenly on each side. And then after I cut it down with an eyebrow razor, I just take my little flat iron and go in and curl it. And it's going to have this really small little curl. And then I take my edge brush. I do spray my edge brush with some hairspray, a light hold hairspray. I like to use the Fantasia, and just spray it directly on the edge brush, and then go ahead and swoop the baby hairs into place. And whenever I use this, the baby hairs are not too crunchy or anything, but they do hold in place, but they still give that soft, wispy appearance. And I really love to do my baby hairs like this now versus using like a wrapping mousse to lay my baby hair. So yeah, it just makes a difference, and I like it better whenever you curl it because it gives more of that curled kind of look. I don't know how to explain it, but you could look at some old videos when I used to use the wrapping mousse, and you could see the difference. Like, it does make a difference. So I did go in and finish curling off the rest of the hair, and I also took my same Fantasia spray and kind of sprayed along the front part of the hairline, and then I'm going to brush it back because I do like that pushed back kind of look. And I kind of just let the hairspray dry a bit before going in with the hot comb, because I don't want it to be too wet where it's going to leave like a white cast from putting an iron right on it. So I'm just going to go in and comb out the hair. I did my hair at night. I went to sleep, woke up the next morning, and then now I'm going to be finishing the hair. So the curls have been slept on, but I didn't comb them out at night. So I do go in and just touch up any curls that I need to. And you can see here how it looks whenever you use the hot comb and kind of like push the hair back. And the hair was a little dry, not really, but I just wanted to give the hair a little bit more shine and, you know, make sure that I didn't have any frizz or anything like that. So I'm just using a little bit of serum on the hair, a little at the top and also on the ends of the hair and everything. And then just kind of working my fingers through the hair to really work the serum into the hair. So you can see how my hair is looking and how long it falls. Okay, dolls, so this is the completed look of the hair. I think it looks really good. Nothing wrong with the wig or the lace or anything like that. I had no issues whatsoever. So yes, if you guys have questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna try to show y'all my outfit really quick, but I have my camera up on my desk. This is my outfit. I'm just wearing this dress. I got it from Charlotte Russe, and it's like a, you know, it has the back out, but it is like a little collar shirt. So I think that's really cute because it kind of dresses it up. And then for shoes, I'm wearing these sandals. Really hard to kind of like get everything in. Those are the shoes. And then to go along with the shoes, I have the purse. So see the vibe. Okay, so super cute. Really neon, but simple. You know, like it looks really good with like black or pink, like one solid color. So yes, I gotta go. I'm going to get my nails done and my feet and everything, and I'm running late. So love you, dolls.